Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term grifter. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, grifter is a person who engages in petty or small scale swindling or con games. People use it when describing someone who tricks or scams others for money or favors. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Grifter first showed up in early 20th century American slang referring to con artists and swindlers. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people describing shady characters or scams. Now let's check out how to use grifter in a sentence. Correct example 1. The grifter convinced people to invest in his fake business scheme and disappeared with their money. Correct example 2. Did you hear about that grifter pretending to be a charity worker? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said grifter at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using grifter right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Grifter means a person who engages in petty or small-scale swindling or con games. It started in early 20th century American slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with grifter in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.